Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, for a brand new motovlog. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than normal, probably going to be a little bit of a quick one. But today, we're going to be taking a little ride into town to meet up with my buddy Mason. He is the drummer for the band MAINLINE. Really cool band. If you haven't checked them out already, I'll throw some links in the description below. I'm probably going to be using some of their music in my video today as well. You know, it's coming up on the evening right now, so lots of people out trying to get home from work and whatnot. So we're going to have to ride a little bit extra safe, but we don't got too far of a ride, so I think we'll be all set to go. But yeah, guys, if you enjoy, let me know down below. I'm just going to cruise on over there, meet up with him, and we'll see how things go. Oh yeah, man, it's a bit cold out here tonight. Temperature dropped like crazy. Earlier when I was at the gym, man, I got in my car after working out, I was dying, bro. It felt like a sauna in my car. It had to have been like 80, 85. Plus, like, you know, in the car, that greenhouse effect makes everything a whole lot hotter. So that sucked a lot. This is kind of nice though, but man, my neck is real chilly. I don't have like a gaiter on or anything, so feel that wind blowing through my jacket. Feel it on my neck most of all. Killing me, but it feels kind of nice. It's a good change of pace considering the past couple of months have just been sweltering hot out here in the summertime. But you know, it's the evening, the sun's going down with the wind blowing. Things feel good right now, man. But yeah, like I was saying before, you'll probably hear it in the background of the video today. I'm going to be using a couple different songs, most likely from MAINLINE's discography, but they're a really good hard rock metal band. It's kind of hard to describe them, but they're local around here from New York. I've been really good friends with their drummer Mason, the one I'm going up to meet right now. Good friends with him for a long time, probably since middle of high school or something. I've known him for a good couple of years now. He's a good close friend of mine, good man, and an absolute beast of a drummer. Shout out to him and his band MAINLINE once again. You guys got to check him out, man. If you're into rock and roll or anything, you know, similar to rock, if you like hard rock, metal, any of that, you'll like him a lot, because Mason and the rest of his guys are fucking animals, bro. Mason's on the drums, got Johnny on the vocals, Anthony on the bass, and their guitarist Ryan. But yeah, we're not too far off. I'm a little bit late though, I'm not gonna lie. I told Mason I was gonna meet him like 15 minutes ago, but it took me forever to get all my gear on and get the camera set up. It was bugging out on me a little bit tonight, so I had to figure it out a wee bit, but we're good, we're good. Coast around the corner, whip on up here. Lots of people out tonight, man. Everybody's probably coming home from work. It's a Tuesday right now, so people are probably just making the rounds on their way back from work and, you know, doing whatever feels right. We're gonna swing over here. I told him I'd meet him in this parking lot here. I'm gonna go pick up these tickets for his show I'm going to. Oh, I guess that's all getting repaved. Okay, well, gotta expect the unexpected, my friends. We're gonna have to whip around the back side of this place. There's a liquor store right here and some other stuff. So let us see how this goes. Is this guy going to park? It's a lady. Okay, cool. Well, now that she's out of the way, you don't really have to worry too much. We can kind of whip back here. Nobody tends to really be back here. A couple of workers. Go right over their hose. Sorry, fellas. Hopefully I didn't damage that hose, but I'm sure it's fine. I'm really just going out here to go get these tickets, talk to Mason a little bit, promote his band while I'm at it. That's pretty much why I made the video in the first place. I would have just ran out on my own, but I figured, you know what? Let me promote my boy a little bit and promote the band, and maybe you guys will like to see me getting the tickets and meeting him as well. Who knows? So we're looking around here for a short dude with some blonde hair. That's Mason, alright, man. Let's see, where is he? It's like that whole section of the parking lot is completely being paved over. And there he is. Perfect. Pull up right on him. Pop that bitch in a neutral. Perfect. What's up, bro? How goes it? Have you seen the bike before? The classic death shirt. I love it. Fuck yeah. Hmm? Yeah, man, she's nice. I'm cooking something up for this weekend though. I might purchase number 2. Word. Yeah, they're fun, man. It's a good time. I might be a little crazy for getting on this thing again after my accident, but it's a passion I can't get. It's a passion I can't give up. You know. Got the little reminder.
Oh yeah.
Don't fucking die, baby.
I like how you got the little saddle in the back.
Yeah, my saddlebags are cooked, bro. Like this is just hanging on by the Velcro. Both of them are fucked because when I crashed it, they took most of the damage. Like my headlight took the damage, but then it was this saddlebag specifically, and this one got like ripped off. I don't even know what happened. I wish I had a fucking camera like this when it happened, bro. I would have loved to look back at it and, you know, see what the fuck was going on. These are Un's tickets.
Yeah, they just like sent us an email. Very nice. Here the tickets, and Anthony was like,
cool. Yeah, different than the older ones. Like I remember they were small, and like they had like the
tear off thing.
Yeah. Sweet, bro. Throw these in my handy dandy little bag. Yeah, that's what we know of right now. Dave is going, but he told me that like he's gonna do it on his own because he's trying to get a couple of his friends to come. He said he'll hit you up.
Like if you need tickets, let me know somewhere I'm short.
Yeah.
I think I texted Sebastian.
Yeah, Seb. I think he said he can't make it this time. I think he's working. Something like that. Oh, no fucking way. Have you ever seen anything like this before, bro? A fucking Ralph Lauren vape. Miami Mint, bro. Why does it look so fucking bougie? You get it from the bitches? Dude. Unreal.
They know I got money.
The fine shits? Yeah, they know you got that band money, bro. You buy them fucking Ralph Lauren vapes. That's actually leather. Or maybe it's fake leather, but this shit's ridiculous, bro. What the fuck? It was $50. It came with like this case and dismount. So originally, the first 2 videos I made, I had the camera there. Slip the mic in. But it was so like, because it's a cheap camera, the image stabilization isn't good. So as the bike's on, like rumbling, the fucking camera is just bugging out. So it looked like shit. And I was recording with this microphone originally, which is, it sounds fine, but it sounds like what it is. It's like every couple seconds, like if I'm not talking, it mutes automatically and stuff because it's made as like a communicator with.
Yeah.
But yeah, then I got the chin mount and I bought like a special pack that came with like all this extra mounting angle shit. So I put it on the helmet. And then I've just kind of been doing it for fun, just going around different spots, talking about shit, doing things. It's been fun.
MAINLINE needs more content, and I personally don't want to just constantly post videos of us playing. Like
yeah, it makes sense.
More like personal. Like, do you know? You ever heard of this band Morning High?
No. It's fun though. I enjoy riding. If everything goes well on Friday, I might have a sport bike too. Because I love this thing, man, but I want to be versatile. I want to see all sides. I want to, you know, ride a cruiser and ride a fucking sport bike just because I can.
If I was to get a bike, I'd probably stick with the cruiser for a while.
Hey, bro, these are fucking amazing bikes. The Yamaha V-Star, they're cheap, reliable as all hell. Fucking, they're really nice. This is a 2002. Paid like $2,500 for it. Yeah, the lady was asking like 28 originally, which is also not bad, but I got her down to 25 and yeah, had it for 3 years. It treats me well, man. It treats me real good. Go check out that the other video I posted the other day. 5 things I love about this bike. I'll see you Saturday at the show, man. And for those watching, go check this man out. Fucking best drummer in the world right here. MAINLINE. Mediocre clarinet player like Squidward, hell yeah. Fucking hell, man. Alright, bro. It's been real. Get home or get to practice safe. Catch you at the show. Mainline, hell fucking yeah. Go check them out. Link in the description. All that shit. Y'all already know.
You got the YouTube on there.
Oh yeah, you got the YouTube channel. I'll link that below. Yep.
Yeah, there we go.
I got you guys, bro. I got you. All right, Mason. I'll catch you later, bro. Yes, sir. You too. Off he goes into the sunset. The beautiful... What is that, a Nissan? I don't know what that fucking thing is. I don't care. It looks nice, though. He's got a nice truck. And we're back on the road, and we are officially off and heading back home. So we're going to do a little bit of a cruise now. Talk about all that good stuff. I'm not sure how good the camera angle was because I wasn't really facing Mason directly. I was just sitting on my bike looking at him to the side. But I'll do my best in the editing to make sure it looks clean enough for you guys to enjoy. So beep beep. But it's a nice night. The sun is setting. Clouds are out in full effect. Hopefully it doesn't storm tonight, but either way I'm heading back home so I don't gotta worry about it. But yeah, I know this is probably a bit of a weird video, but figured I'd just record my little trip to pick up the concert tickets and you know, shout out my boy and his band and all them. Look at that, bitch is not signaling. We're gonna go right on through here. Right past the shoulder. God, I love being on a motorcycle. You would never be able to do that in any other context. If you were in a car, you would not fit through that little gap. But alas, my friends, we are on the V-Star, so we make do. Whip on down here. But yeah, guys, like I said, I know it's kind of a weird one, a little bit of a short one, but shout out to Mainline and especially Mason. He's been a good friend of mine for a long time now. Amazing drummer, best drummer in the world, in my opinion. Maybe I'm a little biased because he's my boy, but you know, go check him out. The link will be down below in the comments. And, you know, I'm sure you like their music, whether you're a rock fan or not. They make some good stuff. All those fellas are fucking animals. So they know what they're doing. So go ahead, if you're looking for some new music to check out, with the link in the description, both to their channel and to, I guess, whatever songs I use in the video, whatever I put in the background here today. But, yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed. This has been PureFlight. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.